How about the 31 Ford Model A Convertible Cabriolet? This is a rare body style for Ford. And I mean, when I say rare, they only made 100,000 of them, you know,
Right.
or something like that. But when they made millions of everything else, this thing it's a slant window model, which is really rare. It's inline 4 L head. Talk about a bulletproof engine. These things will just, I mean, if they ran when they stopped and they've been in a field for 50 years,
Really?
they literally almost always will just start again, somehow, some way. 3-speed manual, as all of them have, very nicely restored.